AI Officer and AI-powered interview techniques, presented by Subhadra. Introduction. The role of an AI officer and implementation of AI-powered interview techniques are dramatically transforming talent acquisition and organizational governance. Companies worldwide are appointing senior leaders to guide responsible AI adoption and are leveraging technology to create more objective, efficient, and candidate-friendly recruitment processes. The rise of AI leadership and technological hiring is reshaping how organizations operate and recruit talent. AI powered interview techniques range from human assisted interviews with AI co pilots that provide real time feedback and proctoring to fully AI led interviews conducted by chatbots or digital avatars. AI co-pilot mode. AI systems support human interviewers by suggesting follow-up questions, analyzing candidate responses, monitoring interview performance, and generating summaries to aid decision making. AI-led interviews. In this fully automated format, an AI system, sometimes presented as a chatbot or a digital avatar, asks questions, analyzes candidate responses in real time or after submission, and provides feedback. Automated assessment. AI utilizes various technologies, including natural language processing (NLP), voice analytics, and sometimes facial recognition and body language analysis to assess candidates comprehensively. To make use of these AI interview techniques, we may look at certain features of an AI interview software. The first one is automated scoring. AI-powered interview tools such as automated scoring and evaluation now offer a way to score and evaluate candidates automatically, delivering feedback in real time. These systems assess a candidate's skills using predefined criteria, which is especially helpful in assessing soft skills. For instance, using AI for interviews can raise hiring accuracy by 50% compared to older methods. One-way video interviews are one area where these tools stand out, measuring both technical and interpersonal skills with precision. By removing human mistakes, these platforms ensure a consistent evaluation process, making them an essential part of modern hiring. The second one is technical assessment or in-depth coding assessment. AI interview softwares provide interactive coding challenges simulating real-world programming scenarios. AI algorithms evaluate the code's correctness, efficiency, and readability, providing detailed feedback on areas for improvement. This feature is particularly valuable for technical roles, ensuring that candidates possess the necessary coding skills to excel in their positions. The third one is customization for specific job roles. A standout feature of an AI interview software is its ability to customize interview parameters for specific job roles. Recruiters can tailor the interview process using customizable templates according to industry, or position requirements by ensuring candidates are assessed against relevant criteria. Interview by AI helps streamline hiring, making it efficient and highly targeted. The fourth one is data privacy and transparency. AI interview software prioritizes security by employing advanced encryption methods to protect candidate information. Additionally, they offer transparency in decision making, providing clear insights into how candidates are evaluated. Around 61% of HR experts believe that keeping AI processes clear and easy to understand helps build trust and cooperation in workplace. It's important that AI tools for hiring follow rules about data protection to keep candidates trust and meet legal requirements. The fifth one is advanced NLP or advanced natural language processing. Natural language processing is central to AI interview software, helping these systems understand and assess candidates' responses more effectively. Recent improvements in NLP have enhanced how AI interview platforms interpret spoken and written answers. This means AI recruiting assistant can now better identify top talent from diverse backgrounds, making them crucial for fostering diversity and inclusion in the workplace. The sixth one is the behavioral and psychometric analysis. AI-powered interview tools are now diving deep into behavioral and psychometric tests to figure out if a candidate fits with a company's way of doing things and how they are as a person. This approach helps companies create strong and effective teams. By catching small behavioral cues during interviews, these smart recruiting tools offer a clearer view of how well a candidate lines up with the company's values and vibe. It's crucial for businesses that care about keeping employees happy and ensuring teams work well together for the long run. Seventh one, real-time feedback and analysis. AI-powered interview bot quickly generate detailed reports after each interview, showing a candidate's strengths and weaknesses. This speeds up decision making and cuts down hiring time by 50%. By making sure decisions are based on data, these AI recruiting assistants make the hiring process faster and fairer, helping companies find the best candidates more efficiently. The eighth and the last one is the integration and compatibility. AI interview platforms are built to work well with existing HR and recruiting systems. This means companies can use AI tools without disrupting their current processes. Integration with systems like applicant tracking systems, ATS, is key for keeping hiring operations smooth and continuous. These AI interview tools ensure smooth shift to more advanced data-driven recruitment methods. Benefits of using AI interview softwares. Time and cost savings. Companies using AI-powered recruitment have saved 40% in costs in North America, 36% in Europe, and 26% in Asia Pacific, and 20% in in the rest of the world. This is according to a survey. AI in their recruitment process often see 75% reduction in hiring time and costs cut up by up to 80%. AI interview softwares effectively cuts down the time and money needed for initial screening process and evaluation steps, allowing the hiring manager and HR teams to focus on more important tasks. This efficiency helps businesses use their resources better, boosting overall productivity and improving hiring results. Next is reducing or eliminating hiring bias. The companies who are using AI recruiting assistant are witnessing a 30% increase in their workforce diversity due to less biased decisions. AI interview softwares are built in a way that it minimizes unconscious biases during the evaluation of candidate objective data. This approach helps in consistently focusing on measurable criteria that support in making fair hiring decisions. Better candidate experience or enhanced candidate experience. Flexible, convenient interviews with instant feedback, boosting employer brand. AI interview software allow applicants to complete interviews at their convenience, making the process more accessible and flexible. Additionally, these platforms provide immediate feedback, enhancing the candidate experience and helping organizations build a positive employer brand. Higher hiring success rates. Integration of AI in hiring process means leveraging a data-driven insight for candidate evaluations, ultimately benefiting top quality hires. Using AI tools, organizations match thousands of applicant profiles to specific job roles, reducing the turnover rate and increasing job satisfaction. Companies with AI recruiting software have led to an 18% higher acceptance rate of job offers compared to additional methods. The data-driven approach in hiring contributes to long-term hiring success for organization. This not only helps the organization to hire qualified candidates, but also increases the rate of success in job roles. Scalable hiring solutions. AI interview software are invaluable for organizations dealing with large applicant volumes. These platforms can handle thousands of interviews simultaneously without compromising evaluation quality. This scalability makes AI interview platforms ideal for companies with large volume of applications or manage seasonal hiring spikes. With AI tools, organizations can maintain high standards in candidate selection no matter how many applications they handle. Enhanced data-driven decision making. AI interview platforms provide comprehensive data analytics, enabling organizations to make better informed hiring decisions. These tools analyze a wide range of metrics from candidate performance to interview trends, offering insights that can improve recruitment strategies over time. The data-driven approach has been shown to increase the effectiveness of hiring decisions by 30%, ensuring that organizations consistently select top talent and optimize their recruitment processes. Now let us look at one of the architectural diagrams of an interview system. This is just a mock interview architecture diagram wherein we can see how data is captured live both in audio and video form and how it is processed. Multimodal data acquisition is done through video and audio. The classification captures multimodal data from candidates throughout the interview sessions, and this comprises video data, capturing facial expressions, body language, and gestures by webcam or camera sensors. Audio data recording speech patterns, tone, intonation are done using microphones. Processing and normalization of data. The developed data experiences pre-processing and normalizations to normalize the inputs across different modalities. Pre-processing phases may contain noise reduction, data alignment, and feature extraction. Facial expression recognition. Facial expression recognition algorithms examine the video information to sense and characterize facial expressions indicative of different emotional states. Techniques such as convolutional neural networks, CNNs, may be active for precise facial feature extraction and classification. Speech analysis or audio analysis algorithms advance the audio information to abstract features, for instance, pitch, tone, dialogue rate, and sentiment. Natural language processing (NLP) practices may be used to record speech to text and study linguistic patterns. Personality recognition. Personality recognition algorithms mix information from facial expressions, speech analysis, and textual study to conclude candidates' temperament and traits. Machine learning classifiers such as support vector machines SVMs or neural networks may be trained on labeled personality data for classification. Emotion detection and classification can also be done. Sentiment detection algorithms combine data from facial expressions, speech analysis, and textual analysis to sense and characterize candidates' sensitive states. Multimodal fusion classification may be active to mix data from diverse sensory classifications for more precise emotional acknowledgement. Feedback generation and presentation. Built on the combined analysis, the classification produces adapted feedback for candidates, important strengths, feeblenesses, and expanses for development. Response may be obtained in various formats as well as textual synopsis, visualizations, and collaborative informations. Response may be obtainable in various formats as well as textual synopsis, visualizations, and collaborative informations. By engaging this inclusive method, the anticipated classification purpose is to deliver candidates with valued understandings and response to advance their interview assistances, statement efficiency, and inclusive presentation. So the architecture diagram of an interview system uses certain classification of audio and video data, combine it with the data that is already there by extracting the features and the frequency conversion, and using the already available data, the models may be trained, and then the prediction of the emotion happens, and the data is merged, or collection of both the scores, the audio and video, finally give a feedback. Now let us move on to the next topic, that is role of AI officer. Role of AI officer in AI-powered interview techniques. The first and foremost role is to identify opportunities. Though an AI officer plays a multifaceted role in building AI-powered interview techniques, acting as a strategist, implementer, and a guardian, they are responsible for aligning AI hiring initiatives with business goals, developing ethical frameworks, and overseeing the development and deployment of technology. So the strategic planning and implementation starts with identifying such opportunities. An AI officer leads the process of incorporating AI into recruiting by defining a clear vision and practical roadmap. An AI officer leads the process of incorporating AI into recruiting by defining a clear vision and roadmap. Identifying opportunities. They work with hiring managers to pinpoint areas where AI can create value, such as managing high volume applications or standardizing screening for specific roles. The next comes to develop the tech stack. The officer helps select or build the necessary technologies. This could include using conversational AI chatbots for initial screenings, or advanced platforms that analyze video, audio, and language. Establish KPIs, key performance indicators. Define the key performance indicators for AI interviews, such as reduction in time to hire, increased candidate satisfaction, or improvements in diversity metrics. Next comes the ethical governance and bias mitigation, which is important for an AI officer to do. A critical responsibility is ensuring AI hiring tools are fair and compliant with regulations. Ethical frameworks are to be built. The AI officer establishes governance and ethical guidelines to ensure the technology respects candidates' privacy and prevents discriminatory outcomes. Mitigate bias. An AI officer ensures that the AI models are trained on diverse, balanced data, and that the process is consistently evaluated for fairness. They also implement bias detection modules that flag unfair scoring practices. Ensure compliance. An AI officer keeps up with evolving regulations to ensure the AI recruitment process remains legally sound. Cross-functional collaboration and change management is again a bigger piece. Since AI hiring impacts multiple departments, the AI officer fosters collaboration to ensure a smooth transition. Bridging the expertise gap. The AI officer acts as a liaison between the technical AI team and HR may translate complex AI concepts for non-technical stakeholders and advocate for the AI initiative with the leadership. Upskill and train teams. An AI officer oversees the development of training programs to improve AI literacy, usage of AI tools, and interpretation of AI-generated insights. Drive adoption. The AI officer manages the organizational change, addressing concerns about AI role, demonstrating how it complements rather than replaces the human hiring expertise. Continuous improvement in innovation. The AI officer ensures that the interview techniques remain cutting edge and continue to deliver value. Evaluate vendor performance. If using third-party AI platforms, then AI officer evaluates the features, cost, and ease of using to ensure the tools align with the company's hiring goals. Analyze performance data. The AI officer monitors AI performance metrics such as candidate scores, feedback, and use analytics to continuously refine the hiring strategy. Explore new technologies. An AI officer stays updated on emerging AI trends such as agentic AI and advanced behavioral analytics to identify and evaluate new opportunities for competitive advantage. In conclusion, chief AI officers and AI-driven talent acquisition systems now sit at the heart of future-ready organizations. AI officer ensures ethical, measurable, and collaborative adoption of AI in hiring, driving efficiency, fairness, and continuous innovation. Next are the sources that were referred for making these slides and PowerPoint presentation. Thanks.